Hello everyone, welcome to stream. A bit late, but that's fine. There's a reason for that. It's been a very hefty day getting stuff from Roxy and that, so yeah. Alright, okay, so sound's working, everything's working, let's go. Alright, let's get... Alright, so, in we are. So this is stream on the server number 6. I've almost done 7 days of streaming on the server. Alright, so we're gonna first start off today with... we're gonna do that later. That's something that we're gonna do later. Right now, I just wanna get our base looking a little bit more basey. I think the first thing we're gonna change from the original design is we're removing all the doors, and we're just gonna go make this one large corridor. So we're gonna go cover that up. I think too high. All right. I'm gonna have to redesign the windows. I'll have to do it for sure, but... for right now, I'm just gonna make it too high, and I'm gonna probably end up blocking them off. I do want to change this again in the future if I can, because this is just for temporary, whilst I try to figure out how the base design is gonna go. Okay, so there we go. Alright, it's not anything good. I'm gonna have to change up the entire building, I think. But just for now. Alright. So, how are we doing on storage? So this is where my wasteland is so far, so... I would say let's start with, So something a little bit better. What? Okay, so building a base is gonna have to stick to the side for a while because I wanted to actually do something else today, which... Well, I mean, I know the title is we're going to be creating our base on a bank system, but we're going to be working on the bank system first, I think. Simply because I think I know how to do that already, more than I do for... Sorry. More than I do know how to make the other stuff with the base. So we're gonna go... Okay, so... Whoa, what? Oh, I didn't realize that, okay. Okay. Before I start though, I want to go... Okay, let me see if I can schedule a restart on the server, because I think the server might be lagging a bit. Alright, so it's back. It's running at, like, max capacity, by the way, so... might have to upgrade the server at some point. But we'll deal with that later. However long that takes. Hello? Maybe? Okay, so think we're back to normal now. Alright, okay, so let's see if we can make some more monitors. Okay, so we have 12 monitors. That should be enough to do something like that. Okay. Okay, so of course this terminal wouldn't be accessible to the public, but just for now, we're gonna make it accessible. We're gonna go rewrite all of this. Alright, so let's go get rid of all of this text. We don't need any of them. One second, I've just got something. What is this? Ah, okay. Alright, so... if only there was an easier way to delete files. You know, actually, I think it might be worth it to just rm and then do just do edit main. Okay, so find the drive, find the monitor. Okay. Alright, okay, so it needs to be Prince Edward. Wait, it should be mon.getSize. That's the... Alright, 1 second. You're gonna have to see the background of my PC. Oh, I got teleported to someone. Oh. No! I'll fix that. Okay. My fault. Should have not been outside. Oh my god, you have to be kidding me. Oh, hello there. Alright, okay, let me just quickly go and open up. Alright, so now I've got the monitor thing set up back up again. So what we're gonna go do is we're gonna see banking terminal. Oh yeah, there should be Y and okay, I think we're gonna have to go increase the size again. So I think that should be a big enough size, now that I think about it. And just because Lua allows it, we can make this run a lot better by doing this. Oh, is it because we're pulling on raw events, so termination doesn't work? Okay. Let's go edit. Wait, it should be monitor touch. If key equals 17 or key. Actually, what is the is ORD? No, it's not. Okay, ORD is not a function. Let me go Google what key is the escape key. What key value is the escape? What would be the return, I guess? No. Alright, okay, that works. Okay, good. Yo, thank you for the follow, Eva Thomas 12. Don't mind me, I'm just working on making that banking system. Questionnaire is, do I have the ability to call for touch events? Howdy. Good. How about you? Are you doing good? Else if E is equal to... How is your stream going? Pretty well. What do we have here? Monitor touch. Monitor touch. Then does that need to have... I think so. Okay, so someone touches the monitor. We want to print P. Or... Yeah, it's P. We want to print P. Is this your favorite game? Technically. Aha! So actually, oh my god, it does. Oh my god, it doesn't work in the way I thought it would work, though. So we're currently playing Minecraft, by the way. Minecraft is technically my favorite game. It's the game I play the most of all games. But I don't really have a favorite game. Also, we're playing modded, by the way. We're playing with a mod pack called HappyDays, which is an element of a bunch of stuff with horror. And yeah, I can face through walls. Yeah. Whoop. Oh, and I'm lagging. Okay. Okay. Oh, bloody hell. Oh, that's a good Minecraft. Hey, nice. I'm from Scotland. Well, actually, I live in Scotland, but I was born in Germany, so I've lived here in Scotland for about like 7 years, more like 7 to 10 years, something like that. Yeah. I do both, actually. I have both work and stream. During the daytime, I work. During the evening, I like to stream. So, yeah, that's how stuff are going right now. Though I would love to turn streaming into a, like, into a full-time thing someday. That'd be pretty cool. Though I highly doubt that would ever happen. I'm not that good at streaming, so yeah. Alright, so this is gonna, so local side is gonna be P. Local X is gonna be A. Local S is gonna be, no, local Y is gonna be S. So we should just do print XY. Now looking at the documentation, there should be a terminate. But wait, this VTuber here is your own model? No, it's I don't have my own model at the moment. This is a model that just comes pre-added with VTube Studios. Actually, speaking of VTube Studios, I've been thinking about getting the full version of it, so yeah, I should do that someday. Always thought. Full event raw. I do plan on getting my own one in the future, but for right now, since they're very expensive, I'm gonna just keep going with this one until I can get one. So that's gonna be fun. Okay, it's just called event terminate. Okay, this thing gets its own event down. Alright, so break. Yo. Okay, so if we just do that, we can just terminate the entire program. So let's do bank terminal, terminating. Stopping banking program. Alright, and then let's do a starting one for when we get to here. Banking terminal. Oh yeah, actually, let me go post the links to all of the stuff. I have a little thing because a lot of people don't like trying to guess, so I have a set of links that I'm gonna put in. These are the links to all of the stuff that I have, if you want to go check them out. Just put it all in one. Yeah, that's always fun. Okay, save it. Let's run it. So there we go. Now it tells us the location. Hey, wait a minute. Okay, just to make sure. Oh, you know what I could do? You know what I can do? Right? Right? Just even like right here without having to do anything else. Also design Twitch stuff. Hey, nice. You know, you would be like the 10th person to say that in my chat. That's like surprisingly a very high amount of people are looking for work. But I'm gonna have to say you're a bit late. I already have an artist that I'm working with to do some stuff. That's where my profile picture comes from, by the way. In case that's the route you're gonna go. Print centered. Okay, so let's do banking terminal. What am I making? I'm making, okay, so one of the things on the server that we want to try and do. Oh no. I lo-fi music stuff at some point. Oh no. Okay, so one of the things we're trying to make on this server is an economy system. Because, you know, some people have better luck getting certain stuff. Like I have this massive drill here that I can go drill ores with, and some people have very hard times to get resources from underground. So I'm planning on making a little banking system where someone can put in like a, you know, they could go up to the system, they could put in a bank card. That's that's not a bank card, but okay, alright. So you can put in a bank card, and then this system will recognize it and tell them their balance and stuff. And then they can go buy stuff with it. So right now I'm just writing the actual thing that would allow me to allow people to interact with the screen to get the stuff. Because the other stuff I know how to do already. I've got all that sorted. Okay, what? I hate that, okay. So, let's be a bit kind to these people. So, we're gonna do some checking, actually. Also, yes, the server isn't lagging. That's just me. When I stream on the server, because there's so many things around the world, my game kind of lags a bit because there's so much animation and, you know, just so much stuff it has to draw. Like, all of this stuff is constantly rotating. There's all of these drills, which, if that was an entity, it would actually cause even more lag. There's so much stuff it has to update, like it has to update all of this, all of this, all of that system. Ow, ow. Okay, I realized, okay. Yeah, there's also a bunch of other stuff as well that has to render. Like, that you can't even see here, but yeah, so that's why it's lacking. Okay, we've got key event, we've got a touch event. Okay, so we've got touch event. Let's go create a function for in account, which is going to be set to 0 or false. Local in main is going to be set to true. And then let's go do one for in shop. We can also do one for in deposit as well, in deposit. So that if someone tries to use like deposit option, we can do that from in here. And then we could change that as display to show that they are in fact doing what we actually, let's just keep X and Y just to make sure that they are correct. So in the front end function, what we're gonna do, so we're gonna do if in main, then also, if you're curious, we are the language that Computercraft uses is called Lua. It's a very annoying language, but I mean, it also works really well. Local function draw cursor. I think I should make just a ship function. Wait a minute, that's not gonna work because we don't have the ability to do that. Okay, but they're already local functions. Okay, I think we should be able to pull the X and Y functions for the cursor. So let's just do cursor X and cursor Y. Cursor X, cursor Y. And actually, we'll do one better. For consistency, we can... So we have to try and, like, redo all of this for each one. Let's do local, cursor X, cursor Y is equal to 0, 0. So that should make it that for every time that event is run, we should be able to just do it here. So we can now do mon.set cursor pause, which is cursor X, cursor Y. Mon.set text color. Yo, hello, Mr. Pluffers. How was your evening doing? Alright, so we now have this. We do colors dot purple, and then we can do mon dot right. This is what I love about Computercraft so much, is it's really simple to understand how stuff works. Me, Epi? Yeah. Yeah. I think we're all sleepy. Right, so since we want the cursor to be always rendered above everything, we're gonna go do we're gonna go do draw cursor. So now, oh, draw front end. Oh, but we have one named front end. Oh, I misspelled front end, that's why. Whoops. Alright, there we go. And there we go. Now we just have to remember to clear the screen. Also, we're just printing a bunch of nils. I don't like that. Oh, right, because we changed the name of those. Okay. Cursor Y. Let's put in a, for front end, let's do a mon.clear. So yeah, you'll see it will stay here as forever. Ah. Okay, I think due to my lag on the server, yo, BXing terminal. That's not how you spell terminal. Actually, it might as well be because if we have a print in here. And prints take a lot of operations. That's fine though. Okay, so terminal. Okay, so we have a banking terminal. We have all that. Now it's just about, let's do it. Okay, let's try and do something interesting. So one thing I learned about is that you can do buttons, right? If you're good at drawing stuff, you can draw buttons. And I wanted to see about that, if I could try and do that. I could do like a local function draw button. So we do like a mon.set cursor position to be XY, and then we do XY, and then we do size X and size Y. So we do mon.set text color to let's just do color like this, and then we can also specify the color by doing it like this. Actually, because we're abbreviating stuff, let's just do COL. I think we can understand what col means. Okay, I think what we're gonna have to do now is create a small for loop. For underscore, no. Okay, so for X in. So okay, I think we're gonna have to make a local. Let's do local temp X and temp Y, and we'll set them both to 0. So we can do temp X equal to Actually, no. We don't even need to do that. What we just need to do is just because we just need to take it from the position. So what we just do is we do for X in sorry, no. For underscore, can we just do underscore? Actually, I don't think that should work. Let's just do for I in X do, and then a function. We don't really have a range, do we? So actually, before I run this, let me just go look up a for loop. Just to make sure. It's always better to check before doing something. Okay, so you can just do I equals 1, and then okay, see the maximum we want to go. Okay, I equals 1, and we want to do X. So for each one of these, we're going to do it. We're going to do mon.set cursor position to X and Y. And we're gonna go with an offset of I. And then in here, what we can do is we can also specify that we want to do another for loop in here, where we could do j is equal to 1, and we do y. So, if you aren't caching where this is going, this function should create, or to be exact, it should do, we should be able to just do mon.write. For buttons, let's just do hashtags. I think that would be a very good discriminator of what a button is. And then in here we can do draw button. Let's do 10, 10, 3, 3, and then we're gonna set it to colors.red. And technically, expected something before the end of the line. What did I do? Oh god, I broke something. Wait, which one did I break? Stopping program, okay. That means I broke something further up ahead. I haven't changed any of that, so that's fine. It must be my button. Oh, is it this? Does it not like that? Does it have to be dot dot? It might need to be dot dot. Nope. Okay, so it's not that. Oh, this is not like this. Can I not set colors? I wonder if that's the issue. It doesn't like me setting colors. Colors red. Oh, it's not. Did I make something a dot instead of a comma? Ooh. That's all fine. I know that works. I know this works. That's simple. It just ignores anything that it doesn't like. So the reasonable thing is in like here. Draw cursor. I mean, we know that draw cursor works. We just typed earlier. So it must be in here. Maybe just draw button just genuinely doesn't like it. Yo, hello Ian, how are you doing? We're having a nice little bug in our, in this. Good, I'm doing good myself. Sorry for the late stream today. I had some internet issues earlier, so I didn't want to stream. How? It's okay. All right. I screwed up somewhere. Like, it just gives me this unexpected end of line after name. Line 67. Something before the end of the line. Okay. Well, that... Is it, like, as simply as it just wants another line? Nope. Something else is causing this part to crash. I know that's all fine. That was working all fine earlier. Maybe it doesn't like the new line character. Nope, not that. Okay. I mean, something else somewhere isn't closing correctly. Well, that's right, and those are the arguments. What if I just don't call draw button? Nope, okay, so it's actually like with the button function. What if I just do this? This is like the easiest way I can think about preventing a program from running. Okay, so this is like a way you can stop a program from running, by the way, if you want to, if there's something that you don't like it doing, then you can do this. Okay, so without it, it works perfectly fine. It just lags a bit. So, something in here it doesn't like. Oh, maybe it's the for loops. Maybe it doesn't like how I'm doing for loops. Oh. That's what it was. There wasn't, we didn't have that end in there, okay. That's all that it gives you that message. I didn't realize that it could error out like that. Let's do draw button. Let's do 10 at 10 at 3 at 3. And I will figure out the color thing. Oh. Well, that is a button. It might just be a little bit bigger than I thought it would be. I think I'm overestimating the power of this. Okay, first things first, let's keep that at 0, because that is technically correct. Okay. That scared me, man. So, by the way, yeah, you can't use that at the moment. Let's just re-add color to in here. Oh, wait, I forgot what it was. Alright, I see. Okay, okay. I'm stupid. It's trying to do 10 at a time. Let's do COL in there, and then let's go in here and specify color red. Colors red. There we go. Now we have let's go. We have a red button. So I wonder if we can do a little tiny check. So in this list of stuff, what if we can just do local is collide, and is it to false? So let's have a function whose entire job is to just reset that. Function reset collide. And then that can even be a one-liner, I think. Actually, I don't know how to write one-liner programs, so let's not do that. Let's just do... is collide false. And then let's do another one for local function set collide. And then eval. So now we can just manually reset if we need to. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go check per pixel. Because we already have it right. We can just do local temp x, which is just x plus 1. So what we can do is we can do local temp x equals x plus 1, or sorry, x plus I. And we can do local temp y is equal to y plus j. So this can now become temp x and temp y. And because of this, we should now be able to theoretically do if temp x equals cursor x and temp y equals cursor y, then set collide to true, and then we do and is collide equal to false. And now we set it to true, it should never update it again. So that's for the user input. So now what we can do is we can do a check, right? We can do let's do local function check collide. And check collide is just going to do if is collide, then we're just going to do for now print hello world, right? We're just going to go check this works, and then we can do set, or we can just do reset collide. And actually, because this is a primary function, let's just do a check collide like this. So in the draw in here, we can now do on monitor touch. Right there, we can do a check collide. And I think that should be it. I think the program should take care of the rest of it. Oh, it crashed. Okay. Attempt to call global variable a null value. Oh, okay. I think I'm gonna have to take the set collide and move it further up. In that case, what I will do is we'll just remove this and just not care that this exists. Oh god, I'm removing more than I should. Now we can just change it manually. Is collide equal to false, and we set it back to false, and then here we can set it to true. Is collide equals true. Plop. Look at that! So now it's triggered once, it knows that it can't be triggered again until... Oh? Okay, yeah, of course you wouldn't, you would probably keep this... You would probably change something. So let's just... Oh, actually, hold up, wait, we can do another thing. We can do local... collide data and set it to an array. Or, sorry, a table. And within a table, we can specify an endpoint like this. So endpoint will be nil by default. So what we can do is if collide data endpoint equals nil, then just end. If collide data endpoint is equal to, let's just say, okay, it's equal to, so in this, we can do like button data, right? So we can tell it now that it can go change something. Or we can just, sorry, yeah, okay, let's do change scene ID. So we now tell it that, or no, actually, let's not do change scene ID, let's just do change scene to, because then we don't have to make a whole ID system. So we can just do collide data is equal to change scene to. Remember to specify it needs to be endpoint. So now when we run this with something like, okay, let's in here, let's specify, if we do something such as like we can do account, right? So like you can see, like it specifies account. Then we just go and do in main false, and then do in account true. So now that changes the whole rendering scene from in main to in account, which we already have in here, in account. So let's just go test this out. And now as soon as we touch this and it updates, it should... Nope. Why is that? Are we not... Oh, right, okay. Print... Collide? No. We just do print the light data. Data endpoint. Okay, if collide, is it not called collide data? I swear it's called collide data. I don't understand, dude. This stuff is like crazy. Okay, let's just do collide data and see if it even returns something, or if it just returns a null. Okay, it definitely returns a table. That means that endpoint doesn't get updated. Okay, the check just doesn't do anything. Oh, and that might be because we haven't actually specified something. Oh, it actually worked. Okay. Stupid me. Alright. Let's go, So, when someone turns that on... Okay, so the program will look like this. It'll have, like, 3 buttons. It'll have, like, maybe one here, and one here. Of course, we can put text above them as well. Or just say, like, you know, like, red is this is this. Or we can just let the people decide and try and figure out which one is which. So if we click on this one, it should immediately start looking for this. So let's go write that. Let's go write a function. Wait, this will have to be payment in front end. No, actually, this will happen before front end happens. So we do else if in account, then draw account screen. Okay, so account, let's just go do something stupid. Let's go, local account data. Okay, so the cool thing about this is we only really need an ID. So, okay, so we'll need an ID, which by default will be 0, and a code. Those are, like, literally the only two variables we need in account data, because the accounting is done by a file. So let's just do print centered 3 and do banking terminal. Welcome, and then we can do string. Actually, we don't even have to do string.format. We can literally just do this. So local. So local username and balance, and I think that's it actually. It's gonna be done by a separate function called getAccount. So so we do to if card dot is disk present, then we do card dot. I remember I have the Wikipedia for this. I have the actual Wikipedia page of of this program to look at for this. So if it has data, if we do if card dot has data, then that's another check. Then we do now we can do card path is equal to card.get mount path. And then we're gonna, because this is already predefined, we can just do if we look under file loading, file handler, the fs, okay, the right file handler. Okay, it's just fs. Okay, so we do fs.open card path, and then I think card path already gets a slash in it. We just do card.json under read, then we do file.readAll. But we do text utils dot unserialize JSON file dot read all. And we can do file dot close. So now we have the file, and now we need to do another file, which is file equal, now we do a file again. File equals fs dot open, and it's gonna be cards slash, so we can do local card ID is equal to local card ID is gonna be equal to the card data. And then, okay, so it's a card data and an ID. So now we load up the main module, which looks under card ID .json, where it looks up for a read operation. So it can do file dot read all under another xutils.unserialized JSON. Unserialized JSON is going to do file dot read all, where we're going to go read this as the prime data. But this is like the primary file. And then let's just do a very quick check to authenticate the user. We do if prime data ID, if prime data username is equal to card data username, and if prime data code is equal to card data code, then now we can go do now we can do that super funny variable thing in the front here where we do account data. And we're gonna actually go do it because we're gonna do this like this. We do money equals 0. Actually, we don't even need this. We just need a username and a money. Username equals this, or placeholder, and money is equal to 0. So now we can do what was it called? Account data. Okay, just account data. Account data is going to be equal. So account data username equals to the prime data username, and account data money equals prime data money. So all we do now is we just do a return, I think. Because I know you can return data. Actually, I just realized we don't actually need this. Because this is just done for us. So we just do get account. And actually what we can do is we can do a pcall too. We can do pcall get account. And pcall should contain a status and then probably an error code. So if status equals false, then print error, print an actual error for error, because otherwise it should actually just crash So in here we just do account data, username, print centered, 5, and then we can do balance. Account data, money. So the one issue is, I've already noticed this, there's like a security flaw in here, right? Like, say this works. It doesn't, it gets stuck at the file. To index global file. Huh. Oh, it doesn't like that. Okay, it has to be local. And then we can do local. Time takes local file a nil value. You sure? Which line is it getting stuck at? It's getting stuck at 71. So the first one. This one. Okay, so it's basically this is returning something that is not that card. Which tells me it needs a slash. Ooh, still. Ooh, interesting. Okay. So it should be this slash... Oh, it's card data. Oh, okay. Edit. Main. Okay, that's why it's failing. Looking for the wrong goddamn file. Okay, so we probably don't even need that. I think that does it for it. Card data. Run that. And it crashed. Okay, so we just... Okay, that either means that the file just doesn't exist. Or my ass forgot to put in... this. Well? Oh, okay. Now we just get the pcall error. Because my dumbass doesn't know how to use pcall correctly. Look at that! Let's go! So we can do welcome. So now when you think this in, it should come up with this. And if you don't have a card and you're logged in already, you're logged in. Which I know I'll have to make a whole thing for that. But when you're not logged in and you try to do this, yep, it should just do that. So what I can as well do then is I can do a login variable. So we go to the front. And with account, so we have in account with account data, let's do a local logged in. And by default, it's going to be false, right? So if we try to go into account data, so what we can do now, we can do so we can now do logged in is set to true. I just realized this technically will error out all of it, so it could return nil. So we could also just get logged in automatically because it's an error, because it errors out. And if that's the case, I'm going to have to do a bunch of stuff to prevent that, but... So if logged in, then we run all of this. And if we're not logged in, we run print centered, unable to log in to account, and then provide an end. There we go. Unable to log into account. Cool, so... And then as soon as you put it in, boom, it authenticates. Now, the next thing we're going to have to do is we're going to have to do a check again. Right? Which, by the way, we can do it right here. We can do it right here. So what we can do is we can do an else. If the card is not present, then we do logged in, false. So if the card is not present, then it should log us out automatically. Which doesn't, because I think I used the... I did use the right one. Logged in, false. It just means that I need to do it here too. Else... logged in is going to be false. Oh? Oh, I forgot the end. I'm able to log in. So now we're logged in, and now we remove, and it doesn't log us out. Why is that? Is it because we've logged in already, so it just assumes we're logged in? Oh no, because I put it in the wrong slot. There should be one. Because there's one in here. There should be one more here. Else. Logged in. False. And now it should say unable to log in. You log in. Take it out. Yeah. But as if I'm unable to log in, I'm going to just do please enter card to log in. Please enter card to log in. So, you open up the account terminal. Please enter card to log in. Boop. Look at that. Cool. So now we've got like a whole UI as well to work with. Wait, hold on, I've got an idea. We should just do that. There we go. BX. Alright. Questionnaire is for balance. Can I actually just put in a dollar symbol? I can. Ooh. Here we go. Now we've got $100. That's cool. I love that. Oh, I love that. We've made so much progress. Also, don't question why it's all white. We'll fix that in the future. So the first thing we're going to have to do... Oh. Uh-huh, yeah, you can't get me. Even though there's a... Hello? That's Apollian, by the way, that does that. Hello? Ow, that could have scared the hell out of me. That was my, So, I guess Apollian just despawned. Interesting, okay. So... Now that we have this nice little terminal, let's add some functionality to it. So... Just to be cool, let's add a barrel, right? So the barrel will act as our... will act as the container that people will be dropping their items into, that they want to put into the system And then we can tell this thing how to interact with that. First things first. Let's create a more permanent area for this, shall we? I think it would work a little bit better if we have a more quote-unquote permanent area for it. Oh, that actually broke my pick. Damn, okay. Luckily, I have 18 more diamonds. Strange, I seem to have more diamonds than I had last time. Huh. Looks like my business venture is already working without me having to do anything. Alright. So this is our base. So let's do this somewhere probably a little bit better. Actually, now that I think about it, we should probably take it over to like a marketplace, right? Do I have any more waystones? I don't have any waystones, okay. Really? I swear I have a waystone somewhere. I don't? What? Are you sure, game? I swear I had a waystone. I guess I don't, huh? Interesting. Okay, we might need to go get one. Because the only waystones we have at current moment that are publicly accessible are people's spaces, so... Yeah, look, we have... unless this one, is it just a village? And I know where this village is, and it's not hard to get to. So maybe I'll take... Right, this one's just... Yeah. Oh, actually, no, it's 600 blocks away from this one. Okay, it's about to... Goes to this one. Okay, what if we just take this one and we go over to Borsley's base? I think I know where that one is. I think that's like this way. Oh, never mind. There's one right here. What? What? Okay. Oh my god, there's one right there too. Dude, these things are spawning like flies. Yeah, at this rate, I think I'm gonna put that one back in the village. Oh, never mind, there's a village right there. What? Dude, what are the chances? I go out for like 20 seconds to go find one of these, and I find 3. Because I don't think we really need to put... If this village has one, that means we don't really need another one. Oh, wool. Actually, that's pretty useful. Hello, what do you have? Stone? Just realized I can check with JI. Interesting. This is that advanced village stuff. Ooh, food. Let's go. Actually, wait. The fact that's that generated data, that means someone's been here. Ooh. You know, I'm gonna be honest. That's a pretty cool village. I will take that though. An iron sword. I'll leave that for whoever finds it. Oh my god, look how much powdered snow there is. Oh my god, it's like a massive network of powdered snow. This is also powdered snow. Okay, it looks like this one doesn't have a waystone. Paper, let's go. Ooh, I'll take the bread and that. Yo. Hello. What a find. Alright, I can't complain about that. That's a really good find. Redstone, let's go. I'll take that. Okay, so let's go place one of these down. Right, let's go oh, I did it again. God damn it. Alright. Ooh, that's a death trap right there. I was gonna place it right there, but if that's a death trap, let's just go and do it like here. I'm gonna call this Massive Village. How close is this to everyone else? This is okay. Okay, we went further away. That's fine. So, where plus spaces, go down, and we'll just make like a waystone area for a village. Also, yeah, for the record, to the people who haven't played on here or haven't played the mod pack, there is no map. Shouldn't have done that. That's not a good idea. And for some reason as well, on this map, it's like 99% snow. And no, I did not edit any configs. This is just how it spawned. It's not single biome. Like there's a bunch of biomes. This is just like really strange. The world gen. I think one of the mods we have might make snow biomes more common. Ooh. Okay. Contrary to what I was thinking, this is not going to be a good spot. I was thinking maybe this entire area could be for that village I was thinking about doing. But now that I think about it, this is like... yeah, this is pretty bad. Though I get the interesting feeling this is probably like the best we're gonna get. Yeah, because that's going back down to that biome, the ice spikes. So I say we just do it here. I'll go pop a message to people. Let's do it. No. Okay, despawn. Marketplace. Just call it Marketplace. Fuck off! Oh my god, it hasn't even been 30 seconds. Okay, go back to my base. So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna put that down one. Make that primary, make that secondary. Put that down one, make that like this. Okay, so we go from my base, marketplace, to the massive village. So if this is the marketplace, you saw that. Okay, I see how you're doing a creation. Okay, so we're gonna need to grab some blocks whilst we're here. And actually, most likely what I will want to do is clean out my inventory by doing this. Put the rest into here by doing just a swoosh. I need everything else, I think. Actually, I don't need the flint and steel or a hoe. I don't even know why I carry a hoe. Actually, I will need that. Okay, so let's grab some dirt. Let's grab a block. You know, that's very specific. You know what? Yeah, you know what? We're going to keep that. Let's go grab a block of the deep slate variety. Yoink. Get that smelted. Also, look at this stuff. If I had enough copper, I would do this. But unfortunately, it's super expensive. Okay, so pillar, tile, cut, Okay, so let's go get a block that we can use for a roof. Which, because we're using stone, we might want to consider using, like, this. Whoop. Okay. So the marketplace will be for everyone, but I want to go mark out where the marketplace is. So if you're playing on a server and you want to come to the marketplace, I'll post the link, the coordinates to the marketplace over in the channel for the HappyDays server on our Discord. Link to the Discord, by the way, is the first link in the link list. Alright, so there we go. This is like the main area. So let's go make a path over to our building. You know what? We could probably make this one pretty close. Right? Let's get to, like, say here-ish, and we can just do it, like, right here. So let's go terraform this place up a bit. Alright, cool. So let's path this up. So the bank is not going to be a big building. I mean, it's a bank, actually. It should be probably pretty big, but we don't really need a big building for the bank. Hold on, let me go get a bow. Hey, just so we can actually kill these guys. Okay. Kind of saving resources here, but I don't know why, because this is where the screen's gonna go. So the screen's gonna go, like, I think right here, right? That's not center, is it? No, it's not centered. Okay, I have a better idea, actually. What if we just do it like this? What if we do this? Okay, So put my card in. Whee! Hey! Oh god, I turned on Renovator again. Ooh, hey. So we do this. Alright. So. Okay, so now I need to connect everything together, which actually might be perfect. I think I have just a perfect amount of materials for this. You know what? I don't think we need to do the end parts, right? We just do the sides. We'll get a roof in later. Because I think that the roof is going to be a little bit harder to do. Oh. so let's get the back area as well, kind of like attainted to the whole thing. Okay, so I've just realized as well, this system is going to be a little bit more complex than I think it's going to be, because it needs to be able to remove items from the system. So I think for that, it probably shouldn't be too hard. Because all we have to do is we just need to do a check. Oh, I just realized that's not right. That needs to go more like this. I see you. Here we go, Minecraft barrel. Alright. Now let's go edit main. Draw button. Let's do deposit. Deposit. Then else if in deposit, then draw deposit screen. Draw deposit screen. Deposit mode. And then what we can do is local barrel. It's going to be peripheral.find Minecraft barrel. For item and I think an amount in barrel. Okay, let me just go check the API very quickly. Okay, it's list. Do print centered. That has to be the luckiest explosion. Oh, I guess 20 is off screen. You have to pause up mode. Okay. But it did die because barrel. You know what you can actually do, by the way? I don't think I've ever shown this. This is something that you can do in this program, is you can do this. And I can do barrel, and it should just pop up with a table of stuff. Now it's gonna be a bit broken because I'm gonna be doing. Okay, it just died. Huh? Okay, let's just do regular print. Let's just do print I and A. So turn this on, and it should... Okay, it just crashed. Oh, wait. It's in pairs. Ooh, it still works. Okay, okay, okay. In pairs. Print I and A. Huh? Unexpected identifier. Oh. Table. Ooh. Okay. Okay, and that's a nil value. Got it. Okay, so there's only 2 things in here. And then 4 B in pairs. Print B, V, and X. B, V, X. And then to call global pairs. Oh, that's Paris. Lol. Alright, misspelling aside. Okay, name computer. Okay, so name computer craft cable count 5. So we should be able to do so we can do item and the do slot and item. So we do item, and we can do name. Let's just do slot and item. Count. Oh. Alright, there's no unexpected thing in there. There we go. So what we can do is we can do local max size, which is barrel dot size. Okay, so let's do start size, which we can just do as this. So what we can do now is we can do pin centered as the start size. Plus a local count that equals count plus 1. If count is greater than local max size is gonna be barrel.list using the hashtag is greater than max size, then I'm stupid. That's the wrong area. Print centered. So we can do size plus count. If this is greater or equal to max size, then we do count set to 0. There we go. So every time we change this, well, okay, we have a problem. Okay. There should be 2. 0. Huh. I presume, I might have to do size. No, that just gets the max size, I think. I think this max size is now the barrel size. 27. Okay. I should make you aware, guys. That's not gonna show up. Actually, no, it should work, because yeah, it does do that. Okay, so we can do this and this. Oh yeah, okay, it doesn't show up all, but it shows up most of it. Let's just do max as 10. Okay, so it will only show 10 items at a time. Now, I think the way this works is if you add more than 10 items, this is 10 items. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And if I put in an 11th and I update it, it's... Ooh. Okay, yeah. It replaces the first element again. Okay. So you can have 11 items in here. Let's just do, worth. Local estimated value. It's gonna be 0. Okay, I think it died. Oh, okay, I see the error message. There's a silent error in here. That's the silent... Hello? Oh yeah, Wendigo? You wanna go? Oh yeah? Doesn't drop anything. Alright, so we start the terminal. Boom. There's nothing in here. Ow. You know what would be pretty good to do is we just do a compare file, right? So before this one, we do a local function and call it the estimated value calculator. And then that's gonna take so that should take the barrel.list, right? So let's just say call this the list. And then slot. Yeah. Give me a second, people. I'm just gonna go check something out. Edit main. So we can do list for slot item in list in pairs list. Okay, so do and then we can do if actually file equals fs dot fs dot I can't remember what it was, god damn it. Oh, it's fs dot open, okay. Dot open, and it's just gonna be items slash. So we can just do items.json file dot so to local accepted items is we can just do item list is gonna be text utils dot unserialize JSON. Oh, gotta seat up again. All right. So unserialized JSON file.read all, and then within that we can go basically tell the program if item is equal to item list item if item list item, because this is a string, so we can just do this. What we're gonna do, if this exists, then we're gonna oh, what? Okay, I got this. Okay, so we do Local overall. I think we already have an estimated value, right? It's something stupid like estimated. Okay, we don't. Okay, good. So we set that to 0. Overall value is 0. So now we can do overall value equals item list item. Else okay, so that works. Now, I know it's going to probably tell me that there's an error. Ooh, it's not. Okay. Actually, I just realized I don't think even estimated overall function is in here yet. We can do pcall local status and then result, and then in here it's going to be estimated value barrel.list. If status so it's going to move everything up a bit. I think this is going to be just a better way of doing this. Else print centered actually what we should do is do this. We can do print centered 6 and say unable to calculate value. Print centered 7. No value detected. Please contact an admin. Connecting about this error. So if we do this, it should... Oh. Please call an admin about this error. Okay. Print status. Okay, so basically under not status, sorry. Yeah, we know status is gonna be false. Under result, there might be an error in here about the. Oh, to default a nil value. Okay, okay, it's just because the item doesn't exist yet. Edit items.json, and items there's gonna be. Minecraft dirt will be listed as 0. Minecraft stone at 0. Computer craft cable will be worth 1. And then let's do like Minecraft diamond. Actually, let's just do Minecraft iron. It's gonna be worth 5. And we can do main, and it should... Oh, because I went into the block, okay. Okay, it says net worth of 0. Put that in there, and it should come up with that. But it's worth 0. I wonder why that is. Did I misspell computer craft? Items.json. Computer craft cable. Edit main. Print item list. Nil. What? Oh, it's item list? Yes, item list. Yeah, item list. File.close. Item list. What? Oh, it's in here, okay. Item. Nil. Huh. Okay, I guess we're just gonna have to do 4. We'll just have to do like a for loop, right? I think we're just gonna have to go do a for loop for this. For item, for for. Hello? What? For list item. In item list. is list item is equal to item. Yeah, I didn't realize that would happen. Boop. Okay, so it pops in. Hehehehe. Well, that's correct. What about that? That's wrong. Okay. Okay. Okay, so that's wrong. We have an issue still. Okay. Okay, let's go check out on list item and value. Okay. Good. Print lit. No, wait, no, that's not right. Print list item equals item. So that's one of those operations that should work. How is it false? What? Okay, what if we change it to dirt? What? Print list. Oh. I see why. Okay, so we need to do a... Okay, we're gonna have to do like a local item. Local use item is gonna be item. Okay, so back to this. Okay, so by moving it to this. Okay, so we've moved it to that. False, false, true. Edit. Startup. I know what the issue is here, okay. Times the item count. Okay. Then we can do plus use item Okay, so we've got the p-value caller. Boom. Still returns 0. But why? Actually, we're going to keep that in here. Print result. Encountered error. Print value returned results. Boop. Print overall. Ah, okay. Oh, I see what I did here. Boop. Still 0. But it receives. And we just do estimated value is equal to result. And now... Nope. Yo! That's cool as fuck, boy. That is sick. Whoop. So 64 iron should be worth quite a bit. So there should be 5 in here. And now there should be a value of 0. What? Oh, I know what I did wrong. Edit items.json. Minecraft gold ingots. Minecraft, copper, startup. Boop. $640, let's go. And if we put all that in as well. Oh, look at that. Okay, that's not been valued yet. Boop, boop. Boop. Okay, so let's do a test. So each one of these is worth, yeah, okay, so 9, 10, 11, 100. Oh, I don't even have to do a check. Oh, that's so cool. Yo, you guys want to use this? Come on the server. Edit, start up. Okay, so let's do another thing that as soon as you pull out your card, it resets. Draw screen rip deposit. So in this right here. What we can do is we can just go to the draw function and do if card.is disk present, then do the draw, else print over at 6 and do please enter a card. A bank. Boop. Oh. Banking terminal. So when you open this up, it says, yeah, please enter a bank card. To use deposit feature. To use the deposit feature, please enter bank card. Please enter bank card. What did you just say? Boop. There we go. Please enter a bank card. Oh, bloody hell. Yes. LOL. Look at that. Boop. I need to just add a button in the top corner now. Okay, so let's go count up the value of stuff we actually have, right? I'm curious. So we don't support every item yet, so we're just supporting... Oof. So go to the marketplace. Oh, look at that. I love that. It's like ready to go. Oh ho ho. Alright, so we have the bank set up now. It's only got a deposit mode yet. But cool. Like, what do you think about that, guys? I think that's really cool. That's a really cool system. I'll have to create an area where I can if I go into here, I can do add computer craft. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to try and make sure that I can have a card, and it will always try to... Okay, there we go, main code. Let's rename main code to like items or something. Yep. Label set right to bank to the deposit. Oh, can we just call this like the Bank of Alpine. Bank of Alpine. Edit, and then we can do disk slash so we make another one of these disk drives, and we're going to bring it over to the area. Bank of El Point. So we can do edit startup. Local bank of, let's call those bank details. Peripheral dot peripheral dot wrap. That's the one we're looking for. Dot wrap right. And then this one is just gonna do to network. Local let's do local file is gonna be fs.open is gonna be okay. I'm losing my mind. Sorry, it's like 1:30 in the morning here. I'm losing my mind. Well, dot close local item list is gonna be text utils dot unserialized JSON. Item list, don't say serialized JSON, needs to, I can remove all of this code. Oh, right, what? What did I put on warp? I do this every single time I put this one in. I always put on warp. Wrap. Attempt to concatenate local bank details. Oh, it's bank details dot get mount. Move item dot slash disk slash item dot JSON. Nice. Okay, so I'm gonna take the system offline by taking out the card, right? So because this is offline... Oh, you know what? Oh, it's not detecting this one. Drive 1, okay. We're gonna have to define that in the startup. Drive 1. Call. If status, then... No, if... If not status, then os.reboot is in order. Okay, I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do bank path, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna just do local status bank path is pcall, and then we can do bank details. Bank details. The bank details dot get mount path. If not status. Attempt to calculate local bank path a nil value. Else print BT bank terminal card detected. Really? It actually found the path. Oh, I guess because it returns a value still. Okay, all we have to do really is just do if bank details dot is disk present, then Then local bank path. Print error. Unable to detect. Wait, no, sorry. That's just not a print error, that's just a regular error. So we do BT. We can just do found bank disk, found bank terminal card indexer. If it can't, we're gonna do print error. Print BT. Unable to get no bank terminal card indexer found. Sleep 5 os.reboot. So now it should be on an infinite boot loop. Yeah. And I think I've just accidentally put this thing into a boot loop. Shit. That's a problem. Good thing to get around this is just to do that. Edit. On error, do BT. No primary drive detected. Error, BT. No customer drive detected. No display detected. No customer drive detected. What? Is drive 1 no longer here? Oh, I presume it's I presume I have to use wrap. Up to concatenate. Local bank path. Actually, what I could do, right, is on the fact it can't find one, instead of doing that, it'll just say it can't find one. And I could just do, we can still do an os.reboot, but we can do set. Actually, we're before we even have functions available to us. Cursor position. The right service currently unavailable. Sleep 5 os.reboot. On startup. Okay, so let me just go fix something, right? Term.clear. Mon.clear. Please check back at a later date. Mon. Mon.write. Please check back at a later date. Build status 08-76-009 dash bank dash star at not found. Bruh. I got so much lag on my end, it's insane. Alright, okay, we're at 3 hours. I hope you have enjoyed this stream, and I hope to see you all for the next stream. Hopefully next stream is going to be a lot earlier. I just had to do this one so late because of my internet connection being absolutely dog crap, so yeah. But hope for the next one to see you a lot earlier. Hope to see more people on. But with it all said, I hope you enjoy the rest of your evening, and good night.